Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I wanted to do another Mother's Day craft with you. We have these from last time, so you can absolutely go back and watch that again, but I wanted to use our hands again and also use something very sweet, just like our moms. This is gonna be so awesome. Let's go. We're going to start off by tracing our handprint. For this, you do want to try to stretch the fingers as far as you can and just trace to the best of your ability. Take your time because we're going to after cut this out. So let's get our scissors and let's cut it out. Now we'll move on to the next step. Now we're going to put this to the side and we're going to make the pot. This is going to be our pot. We're going to take this and we're going to first fold it in half. There we go. Now that it's folded, this is the shape you're going to make. Doesn't have to be perfect, but you get the idea of it looking like a pot. Now it's time to cut it. Now we'll move on to the next step. Now that our pot is cut out, put it right there. You could either glue it or tape it, but it's not done quite yet. It's all glued, and now we'll flip the pot open and the special message, Happy Mother's Day. Any mom is going to just love this. Now that this is finished, let's move on to using this. For this part, we need to measure out a piece. So using 2 chocolate bars to measure, you don't really need that. It's just more for my excitement. But we're going to measure out. I had my pencil. Here we are. We're going to, there we go. And that is how big of a square we're going to need. All right, now let's cut them out. All right, now let's measure them up. Oh yeah. Perfect. All right, here we go to the next step. For this step, I would recommend having a piece of tape ready. So using, we'll say the E as our guide. Okay. Now right. There we go. Ha. On to the next step. Now our moms are our superheroes, and the chocolate is supposed to be her body, and then of course her cape. Now what would our moms be without little faces? So let's go ahead and decorate the face. Now the mask, all you have to do is draw an 8 and then cut it out and you'll have the mask. So let's give our mom a face. Look at her beautiful face. Now we're going to attach it on. Still, something's missing. Her hair, of course. Let's give her some hair. Look at her beautiful hair. She's almost done. Just needs one last final touch. There, now she's perfect because all of our moms are superheroes and my mom is my superhero. These came out great and our moms are sure going to love these. You did an amazing job. Well, friends, we did a great job today. These all came out great, and I know that our moms are going to love them. Out of all of them, this one surely is my favorite. Okay, it's because it has chocolate, and I just love chocolate. Well, friends, it's been great today, and I hope you guys had a great time too. And I hope you guys keep coming back for more and more fun with me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie, and that would be me. And don't forget, if you like videos like this, keep liking them and subscribe for more and more fun.